What's up, everybody? I have an amazing project today that I can't wait to get done. I was thinking about it all day. I couldn't wait for it to get to my house, but this is a room divider curtain. Here in my house, I have an amazing office, but it doesn't have a door. It has a wide open space that leads right to the front door, which is literally right here to my left. And so today we're gonna install this up above here and separate the hallway in my office. It does have 100% light blockage. There are 3 layers of fabric, and I'll be glad to show you what the fabric looks like in just a few minutes. At the end, we'll walk through it so you can see what it looks like. This kit does include the track system for the ceiling for the curtain. So that's one of the best things about this product is you don't have to go build a track system. It already has one in the box ready to go for you. Here's that really big, thick curtain. I think that I got the 109 inch, if I'm correct. And I also got mine in gray, which it comes in black and it also comes in gray. So preparing to get this put up on the ceiling right here where I'm dividing my office in the hall, I did already put the cap on. And then now I'm installing the brackets for the hangers. Now that we've got the anchors in place, we're going to go ahead and bolt in the clips for the track.
Put in the other one that was missing.
All right, so this can bend in any shape or size or style that you want it to go. I wanted it to block the entrance into the office here. So for me, this is great. But if you're in a bedroom situation, or maybe you have an entrance to your bathroom that doesn't have a door or something like that, just bend it whatever way you want. It bends really easily. All right, so second to last thing that we have to do is we have to put the hooks into these eye holes so that we can put the drape up. All right, so this is the drape itself. And it has this spot on the back which looks like Velcro, but there's actually these little tiny spots where the hook goes into it. We're gonna go ahead and get hooking.
Yep.
All done. And just like that, I have the office now covered so that I can have some privacy when I'm on calls or whatever else. Go get yourself one. Super simple to install. It took less than 30 minutes.